Toby and I'm 7 years old.
And I'm Ella and I'm 10.
Today we're going to be showing you 8 top tips
To improve your football skills.
Dribbling means keeping the ball close to your feet whilst moving.
Try using both feet and small touches so you don't lose control.
Don't just use a strong foot.
Practice passing and shooting with both feet to become a better all-round player.
Passing is super important in football.
Aim carefully and use the inside of your foot for better control. It's not just about kicking hard.
Try aiming for the corners of the goal to make it harder for the goalkeeper. Ball control helps you stay calm during a match.
Use your feet, thighs and chest to control the ball smoothly. Run, jump and stay moving.
Fitness helps you play better for longer and keeps you strong. Watch football matches and learn from great players.
See how they move, pass and score goals. The most important tip, have fun! The more practice, the better you'll get. Football is one of the best exercises ever.
It makes your heart stay healthy, your muscles strong and improves teamwork. There are over 200 professional leagues around the world
And there are over 200 national teams.
It's estimated that more than 250 million people play football globally.
And billions of people watch big tournaments.
For the 2026 World Cup, it's expected that more than 1.5 billion people could be watching.
Wow, that's a lot of football fans.
So grab a ball, get outside and start practicing.
Thanks for watching. Bye!